Hi, in this particular video, we'll see how to check the internet speed. So let's get started. Suppose if you want to check the speed of your internet connection, you can check it through the website fast.com. So once you visit this particular website fast.com, so here you can see the speed of your internet connection. Here my internet connection speed is more than 80 Mbps. Okay, and the other way to check the speed of your internet is directly you can just type check the internet speed, and here you can click on the run speed test. So once you click on that particular option, here you can see the speed of the internet is more than 80 Mbps. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.